how should we think about TikTok ads? So from a, what do we need to understand about the platform, and maybe talk strategy just a little bit, and then we're going to pivot and also look at the organic side of TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok is still very early in its infancy from an ad platform. Advertising on the platform has been around for about 2 years, or so with beta advertisers. We came on board about a year and a half ago through their managed platform, and so they're continually working out kinks, different things on the back end, account setup, like self-serve wasn't even set up. So we are with that, there's a lot of things that they're fixing on their end, and for a lot of advertisers, sometimes it does mean more risk. The platform may not be as stable as, say, Facebook or Google and these that have been around a lot longer. So that's something to I guess use a little bit of caution with. But it's also an opportunity where a lot of advertisers are not yet, and we know that TikTok as a whole has just blown up. The fastest growing platform right now, especially here in the U.S. So the eyeballs are there, and there's not nearly as many advertisers. So while Facebook's CPMs rose 30% in January, we were spending and seeing CPMs between $2 and $6 during Q1.
$2 and $6. That's insane. Yeah.
So it's a much cheaper way to get those eyeballs out, or eyeballs on your brand. But there's a lot of testing going on. There's a lot of things that we've got to keep in mind. So with that, using this, it should be incremental to your business. We're not looking and bringing brands onto TikTok to replace, Facebook or Google ad spend. We're looking to help it supplement that and to diversify ad spend and strategy to just diversify things. And there is this new customer, like you mentioned, this younger, Gen Z and, the younger millennials. But I'll also say we've had a few brands that we've worked with, and we see buyers over 45, coming in hot. So it's really growing quickly there.